Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to make a staple for cold beverages. One of the things with SimplyThick EasyMix is that you can make ice cubes, and then the ice cubes will melt back into the right consistency when you're done. So for my ice cube tray here, I'm going to need about 24 ounces of water, and I have that measured out here. And to make it mildly thick, there's 1 pump stroke per 4 ounces of beverage. So we're just going to add 6 pump strokes. And then we will take our spoon and we just simply mix very easily for 15, 20, 30 seconds. We'll feel it thicken up, and because it's the thickening agent in SimplyThick EasyMix, like I said, the ice cubes will maintain their consistency as you freeze them and as it thaws, and then you can use it in any of the beverages that you'd like to enjoy. And so quickly here we get our water is nicely thickened. You can see it's thick. It is nice and clear. It'll make a very nice ice cube. And so we just take out our tray and we fill up our cube tray. All right, so I'll go put these in the freezer and then we'll be able to use them later. Okay, so after your ice cubes have been in the freezer for a while and they're just about ready to drink or to use with your drink, you can grab your whiskey like I have here. And just like anything else with SimplyThick, you start by measuring out 4 ounces. Spin this around so I have the 4 ounce mark. And that's about half a cup, 4 ounces. And we get ourselves 4 ounces. And then you add your SimplyThick to it. We're going mildly thick, so we're just going to do 1 pump stroke. And amazingly, even in this alcohol environment, you just mix it like normal. And now something like a whiskey or an alcohol spirit might take a little bit longer to thicken than some of the other beverages, but it's really not that long. As you'll see, we're just mixing. It's not even that hard. And when you're done and it's thickened, because most people aren't going to want 4 ounces to drink at a time, you can put this in a bottle and store it because it's going to maintain its consistency over time. And this is just about done. We can do a flow test and check it to make sure it's the right consistency if you're uncertain about that. But you know, generally speaking, what you have is a nice thickened drink here. It doesn't flow off quite as easily as thin, and then somebody who has dysphagia can enjoy their normal drinks. So I'm going to run and get the ice cubes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and we put our drinking cup here, and then we take out our ice cubes and put those in the cup. We got the large size cubes for this, of course, and then you can just pour however much you want over your ice cube, and then when your ice cube melts into the right consistency, you have your nice chilled drink. Oh, what the heck, it's a good Friday afternoon here, and you can have a nice highball on the ice cube, just like it's kind of the trend nowadays. Anyway, that is our nifty little use of SimplyThick that we wanted to show you this week, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.